A structured cabling system is generally used for setting up the cable infrastructure for a campus or a commercial workspace. It consists of a number of more minor elements that are standardized, making its installation simpler. These cabling solutions came into play to enhance traditional cabling infrastructure. Let's see how a structured cabling system can help you out. 1. Reduce wiring complexity and simplify repairs. Structured cabling helps in reducing the complicated wiring of your cabling systems. This offers you a more robust and advanced solution for repairing wire damage. 2. Convenient application additions. While restructuring your cabling systems, you might want to include some applications or equipment. This might be a great time to improve your infrastructure, but a well-organized foundation is necessary to execute the plan. 3. Fixing security technologies. One of the greatest benefits of using structured cable systems is the support you get for security systems. Modern security systems have become convenient. Fixing them after a natural disaster hit might be extremely overwhelming. 4. Increase technological adaptability. During rebuilding your infrastructure, you can strive to make it more adaptable to new technologies. So, if you want to modify existing cables and include new ones, structured cabling can support everything. 5. Managing data centers. As data centers form the core of any major corporation, damages due to natural factors can be lethal. Structured cable systems can be considered the backbone cabling while handling data centers. 6. Troubleshooting and rebuilding. Even rebuilding a company's infrastructure depends upon the purposes and situations. Structured cabling aims to simplify the processes. So, structured cable systems are the perfect solution in this era for supporting any cabling infrastructure. To know more, visit our website https://houseofit.ph/